Pause the video now, guys, and try question number 2, looking at a complicated or a complex, okay, index rule problem, okay, a classic question that could appear at the start of your paper 1 or paper 2, okay, for your A-level pure maths exam, okay, whether it's OCR-A, OCR-B, MEI, AQA, or ELIXIR, okay. So pause it, have a look, try the question, and then come back and press play. The question number 2, given that 2 to the x times 4 to the y equals 1 over 2 root 2, express y as a function of x. Okay, so here we're going to write everything as powers of 2, okay, or base 2. We got 2 to the x, okay, 4 can be written as 2 squared. We're going to have multiplied by 2 squared to the power of y, okay, and then on the right hand side, so we've got equals 1 over 2 root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 3 halves, and that's because 2 is 2 to the power of 1, root 2 is 2 to the power of a half, so you have 2 to the power of 1 times by 2 to the power of a half. Okay, remember it is 1 over this, okay, so it's 1 over this, okay, you now have 1 over 2 to the power of 3 halves. Okay, 1 over means it's going to be a negative indice, so we have 2 to the power of minus 3 halves. Okay, right, step 2 now. So using the rules of indices, I can multiply this. So I'm going to have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 2y is equal to 2 to the power of minus 3 halves. Now, using the laws of indices for multiplication, when I have the same base and I multiply, I'm going to add the powers. So I have x plus 2y is equal to 3 halves, okay, or minus 1.5. Okay, rearrange this to make y the subject. I'm going to subtract x on both sides and then divide it by 2. Okay, we're going to have y is equal to, so y is equal to minus 3/4 minus a half x. Okay, so we subtract x on both sides and then divide both sides by 2. Okay, by doing that, okay, if you halve 3 halves, goes from minus 3/4 or 3/4, obviously with the minus sign, and then I obviously have subtracted the x. Okay, so yeah, so we've got 2y equals minus 3 halves, subtract x, dividing both sides of my equation or my formula, okay, by 2, we get that y is equal to minus 3/4 minus a half x, or y equals minus 0.75 minus 0.5x. Okay, either answer would suffice, but that, guys, is my answer, okay, to this tricky AS pure maths, okay, index law question, okay. So please, please, please revise this topic, okay, especially if you're aiming for grade C, grade B, grade A, or A star. Okay, these are quite nice marks to pick up at the start of a paper and will also give you a confidence boost when you tackle those harder, okay, trickier A2 questions. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.